Bonjour, salut, you're welcome. My name is Chioma Evo. And before you watch this video, if you've not seen the video I made concerning the Prince Edward Island International Recruitment event that will be currently happening soon, please do well to pause this video and go and watch that one. See, this year Canada is ready for us. The only question is, are you ready for Canada? So without further ado, let's just head straight to this video. This video is about the international recruitment that will be happening where don't worry, we'll get to know about that. So now you just click on this event calendar. It's happening in New Brunswick, and I'm so excited. So what do we have here? The current event that will be on is Mobility Days Canada 2024. that will be in June 2024. They have Transport Virtual Recruitment 2024. You can see other ones like this Live and Work in New Brunswick in Cote d'Ivoire and Morocco is currently off it now. You can't sign up anymore. And the international recruitment for simultaneous interpreters, you can't sign up for that anymore. But my main focus is transport and for this transport and virtual recruitment for those in the transport sector. So what you need to do is just to click on sign up. Click on sign up, loading. Then you'll see this page next, and here it's going to tell you about how to go about registration. Now you put in your first name. But wait, before we go further, let's just read what this says. It says New Brunswick is recruiting skilled workers to meet its labor market demand. We're looking for candidates who demonstrate a high level of human capital with skills, training, and experience in one of New Brunswick in-demand sector. That means this particular sector is what is in demand. So now, you fill in your name, last name, email, confirm email. But let's look at the NOC code and the positions that are available. And now they have for NOC code 72401, that's heavy duty equipment mechanic. NOC code 72410, that's automotive service technician, truck and bus mechanic and mechanical repairs. And NOC code 3300, transport truck driver. See, with joy in my heart, like so much joy in my heart, I'm super excited about these transport truck drivers. A subscriber recently chatted me up that he wants to travel with his family. He currently has a visitor's visa, but he doesn't want to get over there and be stranded. That he's currently learning how to drive trucks, right? And when I heard that, I was excited. In fact, the moment I saw this particular recruitment, international recruitment, he was the first person I sent it to so that he can register for it. I will say it again, please don't go to Canada without learning all these skills. Whether you are a doctor, banker, whatsoever hierarchy or whatever profession you are, ensure you've learned something. And we understand that Canada is sort of having so many policies, but Prince Edward Island are currently going to be having a recruitment soon, and now New Brunswick. So what are you waiting for? The only thing you can just do is just register for it. See, forget about what is happening or what is not happening. Here you just come here, select your NOC code, you click on how many years of experience you have. Now you need a driver's license, valid driver's license. We've already said it. If you don't know how to drive, go to a driving school in your home country and learn this and get a driver's license you can present. This would take you far. Even when you get over there, it will save you the stress of trying to sort out how to get a car or go to a driving school. It's going to be expensive. You're paying in dollars. So the earlier you can learn this, the better. Do you have a valid Canadian Federal Express entry profile number? You can click on the option you want to. What does he have here? Let's see. Okay, yes or no option. So if it's yes, click yes. If it's no, you click no. And yeah, that's all for this particular video. I'll be making another video for the other recruitment because I don't want this to be too late. But before you go further, wait. Before you go anywhere, before you go anywhere, we're talking about learning a skill, and we know how Canada is bringing so many policies. And now IELTS, I'm surprised a lot of people are saying IELTS is not favoring them, and now the Francophone community are the ones They are the current senior men and new king in town. So if you like to learn French in 3 months, please do well to enroll for this course, and it is online for beginners, and I'm collaborating with Wazo on this. The class will be starting from May 3rd to July 28th. The first cohort is already on. Now this is the next cohort that will be on. And what does this course cover? The course covers conversational skills, basic grammar, pronunciation, speaking, and what are the learning methods using music, movies and videos, weekly assignment, weekend classes and monthly exams. And what's the learning goal? See, I want to bring this to our notice. Somebody chatted me up and said he's about to write French exam. How would you go and write French exam when you don't even know the basis of this? You don't know French and you want to write French exam. Please do well to enroll for this course. The goal for us is to move from level A0 to A1 and A2 to ace the French A1 and A2 exam and to stand out globally. Don't only present IELTS. This is a good time for you to tell them that I am bilingual. Yeah, I speak French. Je parle français. Yeah. So for more information, do well to reach out to this email address infochioma@gmail.com or this phone number +234 9041 553 223, and it is strictly WhatsApp only. So how much is it? This is just going for a fee of 5,000 naira monthly. That means for the 3 months it will be 15,000 naira monthly. So do well. There will be a link in the description box to send a direct message to this number. So if you like to learn French in 3 months, whether it's for Canada or wherever you want to go to, you just want to be bilingual, this is a good opportunity. And this is just going for a very affordable price, a very, very affordable price, 15,000 for the 3 months. So do well to enroll for the class. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. Au revoir. Bye.